Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the Picot stitch. This is a beautiful way to finish off your crochet projects, as it is a very nice and easy border to make. All you need to know is how to slip stitch and chain stitch, and this results in a pretty little decorative edge. So I just used a dishcloth, and I just use this as a sample just to show you how to make this Picot stitch. And like I said, it's a very pretty and delicate border that you can add to any project, whether it was a blanket or a scarf, a cowl, dishcloth, even anything that you would like to add a border to. This is a nice easy beginner border to practice with. So you just need to learn how to make the slip stitch and a chain, as well as the single crochets, which is right here, and it's pretty much just what you see. It's not that difficult to do. So let's jump right into the tutorial on how to make the Picot stitch. So before we begin, you're going to need some kind of project to work off of. And now again, this could be anything that you want to put a border on, as this is just practice. I'm just using a dishcloth that I made, but you can use anything that you want. If you want to just practice, then I suggest making a swatch of a chain 20 and then do a single crochet and keep going back and forth until you have a nice little square to work with. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and just use any project that you want to use this border with. For the yarn that I'm just using some worsted weight yarn. You can use whatever yarn that you would like, and I'm also using a size H 5mm crochet hook. Again, you can use any yarn and any hook size that you would like. I'm just using this to practice. Now if you're finishing up your project and you want to use the same color as your main project as for your border, all you would do is chain up one. Now if you're going to be like me and you're starting with a brand new color, then all you want to do is just insert your hook into that new color, or into that stitch, and then introduce your new color by lying it over your crochet hook, leaving a tail, and pulling through and chaining up one. Okay, so to start making your Picot stitch, you're going to start with 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. So if you're chaining up one, or if you introduce that new color, you're going to go right into that very first stitch, and in the stitch after that, and make 1 single crochet in that first stitch and 1 single crochet in that next. So to make a single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, you're going to do the same thing in the very next stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now that you have your 2 single crochets made, you're going to make a chain of 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to go insert your hook in this bar right here. So if you can see this right here, this is the top loop of your single crochet. So you're simply just going to pull your work down, insert your hook from top to bottom in that little loop right there. You're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through that loop that you just went through, as well as the loop on your hook. This might be a little tricky at first to get used to. And there you've completed your Picot stitch. Now to make your next Picot stitch, you're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch, you're going to make another single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. And then when you make your second single crochet, you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. You're going to again find that bar, which is right here, and you're going to insert your hook just like that, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Again, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 3. You're going to find that bar, which is right here, and it's also the top of your crochet, your single crochet, yarn over, pull through both of those loops. Okay, and then if you just look at your stitch, this is what your picot stitch is going to turn out to look like. So continue doing this all the way across, and when we get to the first corner, I will show you how to make that first corner with your picot stitch. Okay, so I've just finished my last picot stitch of the row, and now I'm working on the corner, so I'm going to turn my project. And working on the corner, you would basically do the same thing. You won't have to do anything special for the corners. So just in the next 2 stitches of your corner, you would do 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 3, and then again find that bar or that loop, yarn over, and slip stitch that together. Then again, the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, and then slip stitch. So that is what your border would look like, and you would just continue this all the way around, and then when you get to the very first single crochet, all you would do is a slip stitch that together to complete your picot border. So I hope you give this picot border a try. I will definitely be using it in a future project, as I thought it was really pretty and just a very delicate and easy stitch to learn. And I would just keep practicing this and see what you think of it, and maybe it would become a little bit more easier the more that you practice it. I think it will be a very pretty and easy border to make for any future project that you may have. So thank you so much for joining me today on how to learn the picot stitch. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!